了，不了了。哦，你要报走了，那儿也报走了。哎呦，也报走了。
Emergency crews are responding to a fire and subsequent explosion at a factory in Liuhe, Hubei Province, late March 11th. Reports indicate that the fire started at an electronics store and spread to another factory, where the explosion occurred. Authorities have reportedly evacuated nearby residents. The nature of the incident and casualty figures remained immediately unclear. Officials are likely to provide updates over the coming hours. Heightened security is likely to continue near the affected area. Authorities may restrict access to nearby roads to facilitate the movement of emergency vehicles. Officials may also mandate additional building evacuations and business closures in the vicinity as a precaution until clearance operations and investigations end.